How to add curved and circular text in PixelLab. Want your text to follow a curve or form a circle in PixelLab? I will show you step by step how to do it easily. Let's get started. First things first, launch PixelLab and open a new project or an existing one. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner and select text and type your text. Tap on the text box to edit it. The text menu will appear at the bottom. From the available options, tap curve or circular text. The option may be labeled as curved text or similar. Use the slider to adjust the curvature. Positive values curve the text upwards. Negative values curve it downwards. Tap circular or circle text to make the text wrap in a full circle if available. Adjust radius and rotation to fit your design. You can even combine it with other effects like color, gradient, stroke or shadows. And that's it. You can now create curved and circular text in PixelLab for logos, stickers, thumbnails or creative designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.